Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of second guessing your trades and want to take your trading game to the next level, then you are in the right place. Today I'm going to reveal the magic indicator on Tradingview that can transform your buy and sell decisions. This is hands down the best buy and sell indicator out there, and I'm going to show you why it is a game changer. So stick around because you don't want to miss out this. Welcome back. Let's dive into what makes this indicator so special. We'll start by exploring how this tool works and why it is a must-have for any trader. I'll walk you through the settings and show you how to customize it to fit your unique trading styles. We'll also look at real-time examples so you can see firsthand how effective this indicator is in identifying perfect entry and exit points. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this indicator can simplify your trading strategy and boost your confidence in making profitable trades. And that's not all. I'll be sharing some insider tips on how to maximize its potential and avoid common pitfalls that many traders fall into. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to use this magic indicator to make smarter, more informed trading decisions. So grab your notepad and let's get started on unlocking the full potential of this incredible tool. So this is our Tradingview platform. So let's head over to our indicator and add the indicators without wasting much time. So once you get to the search bar, look for angle attack. Into space angle attack. So you see angle attack follow line indicator, this particular one by Tradingview. So you add it. So after adding this particular indicator, we'll search for modified QQ, this particular one by this guy here, hot action. So we're adding this also. So these are the two free indicators we need for this particular strategy. These indicators are completely free, please. So now you know we need to do some settings to get accurate entry and exit points, right? So let's head over to our modified QE indicator, click on settings. So once you click on settings, you uncheck everything because the noise is so much, we don't really need all this. So you uncheck everything except the uptrend and the downtrend box. So you see here is the uptrend, here is the downtrend, and this is back colors. We're unchecking this as well, uncheck this as well. So you're good to go. The indicator is set. You click on OK. So after clicking on OK, let's go to this second indicator and do some changes there also. So on style, you remove the add cell 1 out by 1. Just follow the step, or you take a screenshot. Remove all this. You don't need them. This strategy. So you can remove the background color if you don't want. You can leave it if you want also. So you see, but let's take it out. So now let's go to inputs. On the input side, on the period side, you change it to 23. On the ATR, change it to 7. So you click on OK. So we are done with the settings. Now let's talk about the strategy behind this. How do we trade this strategy to maximize our profits. So now, after successfully adding our indicators and doing the appropriate settings, the strategy behind this particular indicator is that once a sell or buy signal triggers below here, you are not just immediately taking the trade, right? If a sell signal triggers below here and you can see that this line here is green, then you are not taking that sell. Then if a buy signal triggers and the line above here is green, then you can take the trade, right? Similarly, on a downtrend, if a sell signal triggers and you find out that this red line, this line up here is red, then it is safe to take the trade. And I will recommend you to take take this trade from 15-minute time frame upward. Currently we're on the daily time frame, so let's head over to our 15 minutes time frame and see what we can do there. So here we are on our 15 minutes time frame, right? So you can see a sell signal triggers here. A sell signal triggers here. So we can take a short just right here. We can take a short just right around the side. And our stop loss must always be above the red line. It must always be above the red line. Then our take profits can be 2 times our stop loss, or you can leave it open as soon as you get a buy signal and the line is green, you can get out of the market manually. But putting in mind that you have to move your stop loss from this angle once you are in profit to this profit region area. These are the rules. So even if, for example, this market turns out to maybe go against you, you're already in profit and you'll be going out in profit. This will maximize your profit intake, right? So if this market goes to your direction, then you end up coming out with a huge amount of profits. I hope you're getting this. So similarly, on the uptrend, you can see here a buy signal triggers. You take in the long position, immediately the buy signal triggers, right here. And remember, we said our stop loss must always be below this line, right? So immediately the buy signal triggers and making sure that at least 1 or 2 green candle has closed, that is bullish candle has closed, then you can enter for the trade. And like we said, you can target your TP should be double your stop loss, or you can leave it open and exit manually, right? So you see how this particular strategy works. This is one of the simplest strategy I have seen on Tradingview. So another thing you put in mind is that you can see here, for example, it triggers a sell, right? And here also it triggers a buy. There's a sell around the side. Let me mark it out. There's a sell around the side, right? Which, for example, you entered a sell. and now there's a buy here that triggers. Kindly ignore the buy. Why? Because your line is still red. I hope you're getting this. Your line is still red. So ignore the buy call and keep your trade. Remember, your stop loss is already in check. So now you see a sell signal comes out, meaning the sell is still valid. So your market will still be valid. So you can see how long this trade went. You can see how far the trade went. So let's say the call triggers around the side, and we're waiting for a candlestick to close. This particular long bearish candlestick has closed, right? And we want to use this particular candlestick to enter. Remember, our stop loss must be above the line, like we said, and our TP can be 2 times. You see? You see how this market works out. Or you leave your TP open. Leave your TP open, making sure that once you are in profit, you can move your stop loss to a profit region. So even if the market wants to go against you, you're already in profit. So once you get a buy signal, and you can see there's a buy signal here where the line is green, then you can just manually exit the trade. I hope this is clear. So let's do some back testing together. This is how this strategy works with super high win rate. Kindly try this on your demo account and leave us a comment, like this video. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly hit that subscribe button and share this video so that others will benefit. Try this video and let me know in the comment section what you think about this indicator. It has a very high super win rate. So give me a like and share the video so that others will benefit. See you in our next video.